In real estate, location is everything. Pero sa Santa Rosa, timing is everything. Today, we're not just looking at a project, we're looking at the future of the South's most strategic address. From the 20-hectare master plan community to the upcoming UST Santa Rosa campus na katabi lang natin, we will cover everything. If you want a home that grows in value while you enjoy the fresh breeze of the South, this is Giselle of Lavender Locks Estates. Welcome to Eton West Wing Residences. Imagine waking up sa isang subdivision na feeling mo nasa American suburbia ka, pero paglabas mo ng gate, nandyan na agad ang SLEX, high-end malls at top universities. Bakit nga ba naguunahan ng mga investors dito sa Santa Rosa? Simple lang. It's the balance of exclusive living and massive growth. Investors don't just buy a house, they buy the reputation of the developer and the future of the land. Hihimayin natin kung bakit Eton West Wing ang isa sa magandang investment mall this 2026. Alam nyo, marami na nga nagbago dito sa Laguna. It's no longer just a weekend getaway. It's now a primary hub for families and professionals. So let's talk about who is behind this masterpiece. Eton West Wing is developed by Eton Properties Philippines, the real estate arm of the Lucio Tan Group. Think about that for a second. When you buy here, you are backed by one of the biggest conglomerates in the country, the same group behind Philippine Airlines or the PAL, Asia Brewery, and PNB. Ang tawag namin dito sa Eton West Wing is the 15-minute city. So everything you need for a high-quality life is just within 15 minutes. Practicality check, saan ako bibili ng groceries, saan mag-aaral ang mga bata, everything is within a about 5 to 10 minute radius. For retail and lifestyle, you have Eton City Square right at the entrance for your immediate needs. So, just a short drive away, you have Solanad 1, 2, and 3, Vista Mall Santa Rosa, and SNR membership shopping. We also have the Landers, Landmark, and Vista Mall. Imagine you live in a quiet, bird-chirping neighborhood, pero 5 minutes away, you have world-class dining and shopping. For health, safety is a priority. For families, this is very vital. You are very close to the Medical City South Luzon and Qualimed. So no need to rush for Manila for top-tier healthcare. For leisure, we have weekend family time. You have the Enchanted Kingdom nearby and you're at the gateway to Tagaytay. So 30 minutes lang, nasa malamig na simoy ng hangin ka na. Or if you want to play golf, the South is the golf capital of the country. Canlubang Golf and Country Club is just around the corner. Now let's talk about your money's growth. Bakit ito ang perfect timing? The University Belt of the South, ito yung pinakamalaking game changer. The UST Santa Rosa campus, like 20 hectares, and the UE or the University of the East Eton City campus are rising right next to us. When these schools go into full operations, the demand for housing will explode. Students, professors, and staff will be looking for homes. So your property here in West Wing becomes a prime rental asset. And when thousands of students and faculty move in, what happens to your property value? It skyrockets. For infrastructure power, we already have the Eton City SLEX exit. But with the full integration of CALAX or the Cavite Laguna Expressway, Santa Rosa is becoming the most connected city here in Calabarzon. So your travel time to Cavite and other parts of Metro Manila is cut by half. So better connectivity equals high property value. For the Tech Hub, Eton City is master planned to have its own BPO and technology campus. So imagine your house here in West Wing being the primary choice for rental for high-earning tech professionals. So you aren't just buying a home. You are buying a piece of the next central business district. Santa Rosa City is the Lion City because of its industrial parks like Enchanted Kingdom area. We have the Coca-Cola and and Toyota. So high-value professionals are moving here in Santa Rosa. And as of 2026, lot prices here are still in the growth phase. So compared to Alabang or Makati, buying now is like buying in Nuvali 10 years ago. You are catching the wave before the peak. If you want to build your own home, we have lots ranging from 82 square meters to 196 square meters. It's starting around 3.4 M to 4 M, so budget friendly considering that it is located in a prime location. In this part of this video, bibigyan ko naman kayo ng simpleng house tour para magkaroon kayo ng idea ano yung pwede nyong gawin once you purchase a lot here in Eton West Wing Residences. So, pupuntahan natin ngayon yung model house. It is also part of our inventory and let's go. And right now, nandito na tayo ngayon sa tapat ng isa sa mga model houses here at Eton West Wing Residences. This is to give you an idea kung ano yung pwede mong gawin once you purchase a lot here in Eton West Wing. So, tara, pasok tayo. So, pagpasok mo dito sa entrance, you will be welcomed by your mini garden dito sa may labas. So, syempre, yung mga clients natin, gusto nila meron silang mini garden. Plus, dito naman, pwede ditong mag-park ng 1 to 2 cars. So, eto mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo, meron tong access tong gate na to sa loob. And, punta naman tayo ngayon sa loob. So, welcome. This is the living room, a very modern and spacious living room. So, as you can see guys, naglagay sila dito ng cabinets for your television, plus mga mini organizers. Dito nila nilagay yung air conditioning unit, plus nandito yung powder room. So, ang nilagay dito is powder room only for your guests kapag need nila mag-toilet. Plus, yung mga storage area, dito nila nilagay sa mga hagdan. And this is the stairs, of course. Plus, you have an extension here that you can turn this into your dining area. So, as you can see, meron ditong mga modular cabinets. This is the kitchen sink. So, dito ka magpe-prepare ng foods. Plus, ang maganda dito sa kitchen area, guys, meron ditong screen door and glass door. So, for example, air-conditioned yung house mo or yung loob, pwede mo siyang i-glass door. But if you want a fresh air, you can use the screen door lang para pasok na pasok pa rin yung hangin. So, as you can see guys, dito very minimal lang yung height ng pader. So, pasok na pasok yung hangin. Plus, yung mga greeneries, meron ka ring access. And ito yung pinakita kong gate kanina sa may garahe. So, dito meron kang access. For example, galing kang palengke, ayaw mong dumaan sa loob ng bahay mo, meron ka pa rin dito ang access. So, i-close lang natin to. And punta naman tayo dito sa may gilid ng house. So dito, as you can see, meron pa ditong space for your family time. Pwede ka dito maglagay ng mini table. If gusto mo mag-grill for your family, pwede din. Pero dito, yung access nito is meron pa ditong isang bedroom. So you can use this as an additional bedroom, or if you have maid or driver, pwede itong maging driver and maid's room. But the best thing about this part is meron siyang sariling toilet. So, as you can see, very spacious din to. Meron ditong glass window, pasok na pasok yung natural light. And ngayon, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung second floor. Let's go. So, as you go to this second floor, you will be welcomed by this high ceiling plus itong malalaking windows that welcomes the natural light. So, dito, ginamit dito is parang made of wood and tiles yung second floor. And dito makikita natin yung first bedroom. So as you can see dito sa first bedroom, naglagay dito ng cabinets, of course, para sa mga gamit, ng air conditioning unit, plus meron ditong windows and dito. And the best part about this room, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So next naman, punta naman tayo sa master bedroom. So just a few steps away and nandito ka na agad sa may master bedroom. So as you can see guys, ito, of course, since this is the master bedroom, very spacious, very modern din, and mas malalaki yung window. So as you can see dito guys, very talagang pumapasok yung natural air and natural light. Plus the best thing about this master bedroom, naglagay sila dito ng Pwede ka dito mag-ayos, vanity wall, and a walk-in closet. So in this part, yung mini walk-in closet, katapat naman ito yung toilet and bath niya. You've seen the history, you've seen the convenience, and you've seen the future. The question is, will you be a part of it or will you just watch it happen? Eton West Wing is currently at the perfect sweet spot where the price is still accessible, but the growth is about to explode. And that's a wrap. I hope this deep dive gave you the clarity and the confidence you need to make the next big move. Whether you're looking for a peaceful sanctuary for your family or a high-yielding asset for your portfolio, one thing is clear. Santa Rosa is the future and Eton West Wing is right at the heart of it. I hope nakita niyo yung potential na nakikita ko rito sa West Wing. Real estate is about vision. Yung mga nakabili rito years ago, malaki na yung kinita. Pero with the new developments coming, the growth story of Eton West Wing is just getting started. If you have questions about the payment terms, bank financing, or if you want to see the actual lot inventory, you can contact me on the details flashed on the screen right now. I am ready to assist you via Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage, or even a personalized Zoom call for our kababayans abroad. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's looking for a home in Laguna, and hit that subscribe button for more exclusive property tours and investment tips. Thank you for spending your time watching this video. I can't wait to welcome you here at Eton West Wing. This is Giselle of Lavender Locks Estates. See you on my next video.